Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy comments on Instagram quick and easy. First of all, you need to open your Instagram. Then look for the post or the profile that you want to copy the comments to. Now, on the right side of the post, you will see three lines. Click it and click copy link. Now, you need to exit your Instagram and open your browser. In your browser, you will see the three dots again in the upper right corner. Click it and look for desktop site. Now it will look like your desktop. Just tap the search bar and paste the link from your Instagram. Now you will see the post again and then go to the comments. Okay, now you can just easily tap it and select, then copy it. That's how easy you copy comments in Instagram. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And if you want to be updated for more tutorial videos, might as well tap the notification button. See you next time!